whole men's collection, but I can't find my daughter, so I will talk about it. ये इनका collection है जो it's a kind of a blend between contemporary and spiritual. So you see metal chains and all with Om. You see Lord Shiva in a pendant which is in a different way. And who else better than for Mohit to carry it off? And he did a great job.
Thank you, thank you. As I just said, Tiara is an upcoming and bright designer. She's a really, really long way to go, and I'm really thankful that Queenie and Tiara usually thought of me being the face of the jewelry, and I'm honored. And yes, we had a great show, and yes, we are doing good.